This charming and cute lady is my mother. She is 61 years old. I know you're surprised. Anyone who sees her is amazed. My mother only uses natural routines. She has never used commercial or branded creams. If you want to be this charming and young when you are 61, don't miss this video. What do you know about oatmeal? Have you ever had the experience of using oatmeal for your skin and hair? What effect did it have on you? All of these are questions that arise for most of you beauty seekers. First, let's talk about oatmeal. Oatmeal is very beneficial for the skin and hair due to its anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, and exfoliating properties. It helps reduce inflammation and itching of the skin, treat acne, and strengthen hair. It also helps treat dandruff and prevent hair loss by absorbing excess oil from the skin. Benefits of oatmeal for the skin: reduces inflammation and itching. Oatmeal has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce itching and inflammation of the skin, especially in dry and irritated skin. Acne treatment: oatmeal can help treat acne and pimples due to its ability to absorb excess oil from the skin. Moisturizing: oatmeal can act as a natural moisturizer for the skin and help maintain moisture and softness of the skin. Exfoliation: oatmeal can act as a gentle exfoliant for the skin, removing dead skin cells and making the skin bright and radiant. Rejuvenation: oatmeal contains antioxidants that help rejuvenate the skin and reduce wrinkles. Benefits of oatmeal for hair: strengthening hair. Oatmeal can help strengthen hair and prevent hair loss by strengthening hair follicles. Dandruff treatment: oatmeal can help treat dandruff and itchy scalp by absorbing excess oil from the scalp. Increase hair shine: using oats as a hair mask can help increase hair shine and softness. Control hair oil: oatmeal can help control hair oil and prevent premature hair oiliness. Now you completely understand. Why does my mother use oatmeal in her skin and hair routine 2 to 3 times a week? Are you ready? Have you subscribed? My friends, in this formula, we need 3 tablespoons of instant oatmeal and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. We combine these two, and in the next step, add a full glass of boiling water and stir until it reaches the consistency we want. Watch and perform like me. With this video, I uploaded a total of 23 videos. I asked several questions in each part, but you, my dear audience, did not answer. I was very upset. I hope that from now on, we will interact with each other. Let's start from here to get to know each other better. I will introduce myself, and you, my dears, introduce yourself to me in the comments. I am Sharon, a herbal medicine expert. Now it's your turn. I gave you time. Leave me a comment. We talked a lot about rice and its properties and the miracle it does for skin, hair, and beauty in previous videos. If you don't have any information, be sure to watch the previous videos. The next ingredient we add is half a lemon. Consider it equivalent to 1 tablespoon. Lemon is beneficial for the skin due to its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and exfoliating properties. These properties help reduce acne, lighten the skin, reduce skin blemishes, and balance the oiliness of the skin. Properties of lemon for the skin: antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Lemon has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties due to the presence of citric acid and vitamin C, which helps reduce acne and skin pimples. Exfoliation. Lemon acts as a natural exfoliant and helps brighten and rejuvenate the skin by removing dead skin cells. Reduces skin blemishes. The citric acid in lemon can help reduce sunspots, acne scars, and skin discoloration. Regulates skin oil. Lemon helps regulate skin oil production and is beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin. Skin lightener. Lemon can help brighten skin and reduce dark elbows and knees. Closes open pores. Lemon, with its astringent properties, can help shrink open pores. We stir the resulting mixture until it reaches room temperature. The glaze that spreads itself in water is very, very valuable. With the help of a strainer, we separate the liquid glaze of the mixture. Congratulations, you have made one of the most precious and expensive toners in the world. I guarantee that you will see very significant changes in the first week of using this toner. This amount of the recipe that I said is ideal for your 1-week use. In total, maybe 15 minutes of your time will be spent making these 3 recipes that I will tell you. But in terms of beauty and skin rejuvenation, I can say with confidence, you will go back 20 years. Hurry up and make it with me so that you do not fall behind. This is great. With the ingredients that are in the kitchen at no cost, so easily, you can get such a skin toner. I am amazed. How about you? Friends, do not throw away the oatmeal. For the 3rd recipe, we will use it optimally. I welcome my new friends and promise. I will upload the most practical natural routines to the channel, and I expect you to share them with your friends for the development of the channel and the growth of the Healthy Lifestyle family on YouTube. Send the channel link. I filled the toner in its special container. I will tell you how to use the toner, and then we will start the 2nd recipe. My advice to you is to use this toner in the morning and at night. Wipe your face with sanitary pads, and finally wash it with cold water. My mother has been using this toner for several years. Did you notice that in the first video, she had flawless skin and no wrinkles? In my opinion, filming my mother shows the perfect quality of her skin and hair. No one will believe that my mother is 61 years old. For the 2nd recipe, which is to make the oat cream, we start with the same glaze that was left over from the first part. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to our oat and rice flour glaze. Place it in a bain-marie. Place the bowl of ingredients in the pot with some water over low heat. Do exactly as I did. Stir and do not let your cornstarch curdle. You have reached this point, and it will take about 10 minutes for your mixture to be ready. When it reaches room temperature, add the rest of the ingredients. We did a bain-marie and let it reach room temperature. Look how elastic it is right now. It is quite clear that we are going to become young and beautiful with radiant and fresh skin. My friends, I mostly explained to you with scientific reasons the properties of each ingredient, how it helps us in cream, mask, and toner combinations. I have given complete explanations about cornstarch several times. I recommend that you definitely watch the previous videos. The next ingredient that is added to the mixture is natural honey, which is responsible for the complete regeneration of the skin. The hydrating and strengthening properties of the skin are also multiplied. We all know the unique properties of honey. Honey has the power to close open wounds that had to be closed and sutured. Honey has many properties for the skin. Due to its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing properties, this ingredient can be effective in treating pimples, acne, scars, and wrinkles. Honey also helps to brighten and soften the skin and can also act as a gentle exfoliant. We add a tablespoon of honey. When we stir it completely, it is the last ingredient we need for the oatmeal cream. Add a tablespoon of sweet almond oil and stir the mixture completely. When it is smooth, the collagen rejuvenation and lifting cream is ready. In the name of your brand, You have paid a lot of money for this cream so far. I agree that you're excited. I am also making this cream for the 1000th time. I am enjoying how beautiful my skin becomes. I try a little on my hand, see my skin in 10 minutes, how fresh and radiant it becomes. Congratulations, you made the oatmeal toner and cream with me. I told you to save the oatmeal for the third recipe. If the backs of your hands are full of white and brown spots, or you have severe itching, or you have eczema, this recipe will work wonders for the cases I mentioned. If you have a lot of dead skin and need a professional exfoliation, don't miss this part of the video. Add an egg white to the oatmeal and mix until it becomes a smooth mixture. Egg whites have many benefits for the skin. This nutrient helps to tighten and improve the texture of the skin due to its protein and minerals. It can also help reduce open pores, eliminate blemishes, and brighten the skin. Using an egg white mask can also help to hydrate the skin and reduce superficial wrinkles. Specific benefits of egg whites for the skin. Skin tightening. Egg whites contain albumin, which helps tighten the skin and reduce sagging. Reduce open pores. Egg whites, with their astringent properties, can shrink open pores and help reduce excess oil on the skin. Skin brightening. Egg whites can help gently exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells, thus making the skin brighter and clearer. Reduce wrinkles. The protein texture of egg whites can help increase collagen production in the skin, thus helping to reduce superficial wrinkles on the skin. Hydrate the skin. Egg whites help hydrate and moisturize the skin due to their water and nutrients. Reduce skin blemishes. Egg whites can help reduce spots and dark spots by gently exfoliating and stimulating new cells. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Egg whites contain an enzyme called lysozyme, which has antibacterial properties and can help reduce acne and skin inflammation. How to use the oatmeal and egg white mask. Leave it on the desired area for 30 minutes and, if possible, cover the mask with cellophane or gauze, then wash with cold water. Keep the remaining ingredients of the mask in a container. It should be kept in the refrigerator, and it will also last for a week. I hope you use it and achieve what you expect for your skin and hair. I hope this video is published and people who dream of glowing skin achieve their dreams with this miraculous recipe.